memorize that one.
Don't be silly.
Yeah. No, I don't want to hear it, John. Let's not do it. When you see ln of x, when you see ln of x, that has to be the u, okay? In calculus 1, all right? It has to be your u. Cool. Unless you know how to do parts or something, and we don't know how to do parts. I'm not going to show you how to do parts. So if u is ln, then du has to be 1 over x, and I promise you, like a little safety blanket here, okay? Every time you see ln of x, 1 over x will come along with it. Every single time. Okay? So this, thank you. So this will become, whoa. This will become, so the 1 over x dx, you see the 1 over x is there and the dx. Let's just rewrite this so everyone's comfortable with what's about to happen here. Cool. That's the same thing. True. And the 1 over x dx is right there. Remember we said du cannot be in the denominator, but it can be a fraction that has something in its denominator. That's fine, okay? Well, fractions have to have something in the denominator, right? That has an x in its denominator. So this becomes something. 1 over u du. And when you integrate 1 over u, you get ln of the absolute value of u plus c. And then you just go ahead and plug back in what u was. And it turns out... What? Yeah. So it looks weird because you have an ln of an ln. You're like, what? All that means is you plug x into ln and you take the ln of it. That's going to give you a number, right? And then you do ln of that number. That's it. Okay? The reason why the absolute value is there, if you're confused about that, just make it as simple as possible, is anytime you integrate 1 over u du, you get ln of the absolute value of u. Okay? It doesn't matter what u is. U ended up, in this case, to be ln of x, but it could have been anything. Okay?